بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Grade 8. We are in Model 7 and the last lesson, lesson 5, distance on the coordinate plane. Today we want to continue our work in this lesson. We have extra practice. The question now, find the distance C between each pair of points on the coordinate plane round to the nearest tenth if necessary. I will solve number 1 and number 2. Then I want from all to focus with me very well. Then you will solve with yourself number 3 and 4 to the end. Okay? So focus with me very well. So as you see here, we have coordinate plane. And here we have two ordered pair. So at the first, represent the points in the coordinate plane. So here you have 1 to 1 in x and 2 in y. Always here the first value x and y. So 1, 2, this is 1 and this is 2. And 4 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, this is 4. And minus 1 will be here. And find the distance between the pair of points. We want to find the distance here. So how to find the length of this side? Continue to create the right triangle. Where is the third point to create a right triangle? The third point will be here. So we can create the right triangle. As you see here, we have B, and here we have A, and here the hypotenuse C. And this is here the right angle. We know B. How we know B? We can count the units. 1, 2, 3. So B equal 3. And A, 1, 2, 3. So A equal 3. How to find C? How to find C? We can use Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem in the right triangle said A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Then substitute the values. A 3 squared plus B will be 3 squared equals C squared. So 3 squared means 3 times 3 will be 9 plus 3 squared also 9 equal C squared. So 9 plus 9 will be 18 equals C squared. So C equal negative positive square root of 18. We can do simplify here for square root of 18. So as you know, 18, 2 times 9. And the square root of 9, which number multiplied by itself equal 9 will be 3. 3 squared 2. So we can write the answer, take the positive value because here we have sign, tone. So positive 3 squared 2. And if you want to find the answer exactly, you can use the calculator. Square root of 18 will be 4 about 4.2426, etc. And if you want to do estimate, because here, if you want to do estimate to the nearest tenths, so as you see the tenths here, look to the right number 4, 4 less than 5, so means keep the same digit here, so equal 4.2. The answer will be positive 4.2. Who has any question about this idea here? Clear for all? Okay. So focus with me in exercise number 2. At the first, represent the first point. We have -5 in x. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. This is -5 here. And here y3. 1, 2, 3. So the point will be here. And here 2 in the x. And -2 in the y. So the second point will be here. So we want to find the distance between the points. Welcome. How to find the distance between the 2 points here? Continue the figure to the right triangle. Where is the third point to create the right triangle? The third point will be here. So this is the leg and this is the leg here. And as you see here, we have the right triangle. How to know the length of each leg? We can count the unit. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have right triangle, so we can use Pythagorean theorem to find C, the hypotenuse. So write the rule: a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So, for example, this is a and this is b. So a will be 7. 7 squared plus b 5 means 5 squared equals c squared. So 7 squared means 7 times 7 will be 49, plus 5 squared will be 5 times 5 will be 25, equals c squared. Now we can add c squared equal 74. So c equal negative positive square root of 74. And take the positive side because here you have length. We can use calculator here to find the square root of 74. And the answer exactly about here 8.60232, etc. And if you want to do estimate to the nearest tenths. This is the tenths here. Look to the right number here. We have 0 less than 5. So keep the same digit here. So the answer about 8.6. Who has any question here? Right. I want from all to start to solve number 3, please. You have 5 minutes. Then tell me what is the distance between the 2 points here. Start, please. So who can tell me what is the distance here? What is the total of this side? طيب بنتي انا حليت اول اثنين وقلت لكم ركزوا معي مشان تحلوا الثالثه والرابعه والباقي، هيك نفس المبدا الاولى والثانيه، فاللي كان منتبه معي بواحد واثنين بحل الثالثه بسهوله، ما هيك؟ 2.5 5 said 2.5. ونحن الطالب اللي عم يشتغل ويشارك له علامات، أما الطالب اللي قاعد نايم راح أقصد له علامات، فهيك كل طالب عم يشتغل معي. طيب اللي ما فهم واحد واثنين، اللي كان شارد بواحد واثنين، اللي كان في غير مكان بواحد واثنين، انتبه على رقم 3. هلا أول شيء أنا عينت النقطة الأولى اللي هي -3 -4. -3 على الإكس، هلا هي -3 هون على الإكس، و-4 على الواي، هي -4 على الواي. وين بتكون النقطة بيناتهم تقاطعهم؟ بتكون بهالمكان. بعدين 1 5 1 على الإكس، 5 على الواي، فبتقاطع النقطتين وين؟ بهالنقطة هي. نصل بيناتهم، فبدنا نحسب المسافة أو الديستانس المطلوبة بين النقطتين. حتى نحسب هاي المسافة شو لازم نعمل؟ بنكمل لمثلث قائم، بنكمل لرايت تراينجل. وين لازم تكون الرأس الثالثة حتى أحصل على رايت تراينجل، أحصل على زاوية قياسها 90؟ لازم تكون بهذا المكان. فبنكمل الآن للحصول على رايت تراينجل. لاحظوا الآن حصلنا على رايت تراينجل. هي صار اسمها سي، هي بي، وهي اسمها A. كيف بدي أعرف طول A يا الياسيا، وكيف بدي أعرف طول B؟ بنعد التدريجات اليونتس. هون في عندي 1 2 3 4، معناتها ال A equal 4. أما بالنسبة لل B يا عفرة، فعندي هون 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9، معناتها ال B أعطتني 9. طيب احنا في عندنا مثلث قائم، قائم يعني قياس زاويته 90 درجة، يعني رايت تراينجل، معلوم منه ضلعين والضلع الثالثة مجهولة. كيف بدي احسب الضلع الثالثة؟ باستخدام نظرية فيثاغورس اللي هي فيثاغوريان ثوريوم. شو بتقول فيثاغوريان ثوريوم؟ شو هي الرول؟ بتقول A سكوير بلس B سكوير equals C سكوير. طيب قديش قيمة ال A؟ 4، معناتها بنكتب هون 4 سكوير بلس ال B هي 9، بنكتب 9 سكوير equals C سكوير. طيب شو يعني 4 سكوير؟ يعني 4 times 4 صح؟ يعني 4 times 4، كم 4 times 4؟ 16. شو يعني 9 سكوير؟ شو يعني 9 سكوير؟ What is the meaning of 9 square? 9 times 9 will be 81 equals C squared. بعدين شو بنعمل؟ نعمل لهم بلس. 1 plus 6 7 و 8 plus 1 9 equals C squared. طيب نحن ما بدنا السي سكويرد، نحن بدنا مين؟ بدنا السي لحالها. طيب إذا بدنا نحسب السي لحالها شو بنعمل؟ ناخذ السكوير روت. شو بنعمل؟ بناخذ السكوير روت، وبنعرف إحنا السكوير روت دائما له قيمتين، قيمة بوزيتيف وقيمة نيجاتيف. ناخذ السكوير روت لمين؟ لل 97. بعدين بناخذ بس البوزيتيف سايد، لأنه شو عندي هون؟ عندي سايد. الطول دائما بنقيسه بالمقدار الموجب. بندخلها على الكالكوليتر لحساب السكوير روت لل 97. هلا هو بيعطيني 9.84، يعني إذا عملنا له استيميت 9.8 يعطيني الجواب 9.8. طيب من له سؤال على هذه الفكرة؟ واضحة يا اليازيا؟ واضحة؟ طيب عفرا، مين معنا بالأونلاين؟ بنات. Becca, are you here? لطيفة, are you here?
Yes.
تمام. مفهوم لطيفة؟ في أي سؤال؟
Hey, Mr. Fahma.
تمام. طيب. هلا I want from all to try to solve number 4. Please. So we want to find this distance what is the third point to create right triangle? The third point will be here. This is C, this is the missing value here. How to know the total of this length? Count the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, this is A, and this is B here. Now, how to find C? Try to find C. Riyaz, you said 3. Okay, who has a different answer? طيب. Said 1. And Afra said 1. Latifa, what is your answer?
One.
And Latifa said the same answer. Okay, check with me. Here, as you see here, we have right triangle, so we can use the Pythagorean theorem. The rule will be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a 5 squared, 5 times 5 will be 25. And here be also 5 squared means 25 equals c squared. Now 25 plus 25 will be 50 equals c squared. So c means the square root of 50. What is the square root of 50? You can use the calculator here. Will be 7.07. If you do estimation here, will be 7.8. The answer will be 7.8 units. Who has any question here? Right. I want from all to try to solve number 5, please. As you see, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So A equal 4. And here 1, 2, 3. So B equal 3. Try to find series. Okay. So type set 5. Afra said the same answer of 5. Okay, check with me. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared means 4 squared. 4 times 4, 4 times 4. Afra, 4 times 4. 16. And b squared means 3 squared means 9. So 16 plus 9 will be 25. So c equals the square root of 25. Who can tell me what is the square root of 25? Will be what? What is the square root of 25? 5. Great. So you got right answer. طيب هلا the all exercises here the same idea. So I want to from all to resolve it again in your home to do training. And if you have any problem, can ask me inshallah tomorrow. Okay? Can ask me tomorrow. Who has any question now? No questions? Okay. طيب, this is our period for today. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.